Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So today we're going to have a quick discussion on how to remove and adjust the guard on your ankle grinder. So let's go ahead and do that. So the first thing we're going to want to do is get this grinder, the grind wheel off of the ankle grinder. So I've got a completely separate dedicated video talking about how to do that. So let's go ahead and follow those steps and we'll be back in just a second. Alright, so we've got the cutoff wheel removed, and again the most important part of that step was to remove the battery to make sure that when you accidentally depress this trigger, nothing happens. Okay, so now we're able to remove the guard. So to remove the guard, it's actually pretty simple. If you notice, it might be a little bit hard to see, but there's a little triangle down here. I think you can kind of see that down here, okay, on the guard. And if you look up top on the grinder, there's also a matching triangle here near the head. Okay, so all you're going to do is this should actually rotate freely in the clockwise direction. And I guess I probably should also mention my particular grinder. This is a DeWALT DCG413, but I think it should work similarly with other similar grinders. This rotates freely in the clockwise direction, and that clicking you hear is this ratchet mechanism right here. So if you want to rotate it in the counterclockwise direction, you can obviously just push this latch down, and then this will rotate counterclockwise, okay? But if we want to get the entire guard off, all we're going to want to do is rotate it until this triangle on the guard matches up with the triangle on the top, okay? So let's just do that. Rotate, right there. They match up. And now, if you press the latch here, what's going to happen is the whole guard just comes off easily. And now you can kind of see, if I take this off, what is actually going on. There's a bunch of these cutouts on the guard. And then what you're doing when you push this button or this lever is you're just pulling this pin in and out of the holes effectively is what's going on. So this little latch is catching on all of these as you move around. So there you have it. That's how you take the guard off. To put it back on, it's just as simple. You're going to want to, again, line up this triangle on the guard with the triangle on the head of the grinder, like such. And it should mostly sit in, but you're noticing that that little mechanism or that little key, it's actually catching on the guard. So you're actually going to have to push the lever down. Let me see if I can see this. This is probably a little bit difficult to see. But you push the lever down, and then it should slide on all the way, okay? And now what you can do is we are going to want to rotate this clockwise so that this latch and the lever starts catching on some of these rectangular cutouts on the guard. So just turn this thing, and you might have to press the lever down to make this easier on yourself. And there you go. There it is. Turn, click, click, click. There you go. And you can just move this now to wherever you like so that it is protecting you from the shooting sparks coming back at you. So there you have it. That's a pretty simple discussion, how to go ahead and adjust and remove your guard on your ankle grinder.